This is #1 furnace, and it's the one that has the fresh air induction right here. So these furnaces have something in common in that the gas piping is in the way. I don't want people stepping on my gas pipe. Do you want people stepping on your gas pipe? This gas piping is in the way. You should have a curb built around it. Okay, a little wooden curb, painted red. Other than that, I'm just not finding a lot of problems with the furnaces. That's a good thing. Downstairs thermostats. Thermostats are in bedrooms. That's a bad thing. Current use manuals. Downstairs thermostats facing the southern sun. That's a bad thing. But the furnaces, except for some gas piping, the installation's okay. Evaporator coils, pretty much the same way, except the primary drain lines. These are shallow traps. Shallow traps. A lot of manufacturers don't like shallow traps. A lot of manufacturers want a deep trap. If they're insulated like they're supposed to be, that's a good thing. Coils, it looks good. Air filters are both the same size. Got these suitcase buckles. They're both dirty. They expect that. You're going to probably get new filters. They're both 20 by 25 by 1. Or you can put a wider, a 4-inch one in there. If it's a 1-inch, you're going to want to replace it about once every month. And if it's a 4-inch, those usually go for about 3 months. If you're not inclined to crawl up these stairs, maybe go for the thicker one. Okay. And the air ducts, I'm supposed to have more than 1/2 inch sag. Not supposed to have more than 1/2 inch sag. Supposed to have more than 1/2 inch sag. Now the way this ladder was installed, I wasn't here for the framing inspection. And in the attic video, I was almost bragging about it, that you do not have a 36-inch platform at the top of this ladder. You don't. So people can get up with equipment and tools and turn around and get turned around and bring parts up and that kind of thing. So we have an insufficient landing. That's an attic issue. So what do we learn? We learned we got shallow P-traps. Our gas piping is not protected and some of our air duct is sagging. And we got dirty air filters.